wabarakatuh, Audin.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Do you ever travel using a Shinkansen in a dark place?
No.
Whoosh. Do you ever travel seeing a beautiful star and fly by the moon?
No.
Some ask me, I never. But one of the handsome prophets has done that. He had miracles journey from Mecca to Al-Aqsa Mosque, from Al-Aqsa to Sidratul Muntaha. Who is he? He is Muhammad. He did Isra and Mi'raj.
Wow.
One night, Jibril wakes Muhammad to ride Buraq field from Mecca to Al-Aqsa. Then they travel outwards to Sidratul Muntaha, then through some steps and finally come into the heaven. In the heaven, Muhammad met Allah to receive a gift. Do you know a gift? The gift?
No.
The gift is 5 times praise. Can you mention 5 times praise?
Yes.
Yes, they are Subuh, Duhur, Asar, Maghrib, and Isya. Allah loves person who prays 5 times regularly. If you want Allah love you, let's pray 5 times in a day. Never leave them once, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. May Allah bless us.
Amin.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam